With fried chicken in my belly, I return from the ashes. And I shall win the game with my awesome chicken phoenix skills.
Clear our waters.
This is it. This is it. This is the last time. Boom, boom, click, click, boom, boom.
Sink those boats.
Sink those boats, sis, boom, ba, rah, rah, rah. I don't know. I want to see that guy in a tutu dancing around. Boss! I don't know who he turned into there.
Hey, boss, come over here for a second. I got something to show you.
Yeah, that sounds like good news. It's proven costly for them. Put a little dent in their operation. I think I've only heard them say that once before, so... Tracking down the clues. Clues that lead to the fact that hopefully I'm done with this level soon. I feel like they could... Oh, shit. Shit in a basket. Because look at this. Oh! It smells like defeat in the room right now, let me tell you. My dog just cut one like hard. Oh, poke in the nose is what that was. Thanks a lot, Jake, for stanking up the room. Oh. And sign me up for another gun cut. Cause that's why it's at the gun cut. I got a gun cut. Yeah, costly shit. Let's do that again. Too bad I can't just ramp over the land here like I could in other stages and get past all of this bull crap. Yeah. Alright, shit's going down, man. Getting a little closer. I'm not sniffing clues this time. I'm sniffing for blood. Blood wake. Whole ocean. Blood ocean.
Blood ocean.
The thing's fucking huge. Bigger than that chicken breast I had for dinner. It's a mutant, man. It was delicious, though. I want the ammo. I want the ammo. Yeah, baby! I like it like that. I got soul, I like it like that. Hey, baby! Clam bake? Yeah. I believe that the makers of this game were in the middle of a rather large one when they decided, oh, let's use these water physics. That'll make sense. Time for a shakedown. Another gun cat mission. After these brief coffee break messages, and also probably amp too. My throat's sore. And bring delicious spring water. Whatever.
Lord Brana's fleet is in retreat. Guess he learned it's better to lose a few
Is he
ships
laughing
in
at
a
himself
race than
now?
his entire fleet in an all-out war.
Brana's learned
That
to
was some
run.
pretty bad acting.
Now he'll learn to fear. Lord Brana has his hands full with the Iron Empire. This should teach him to leave us.
The Iron Empire.
It's another sweet metal band name. Infiltrate the Jade Kingdom port and sink some munitions. Dock for enemy reinforcements. You can get. Okay. You must get out alive. That could be.
Through the Delta.
Whoa.
Sink freighters.
That sound like Lamaze class to anybody else? Infiltrate through the Delta.
Avoid contact if you can.
And breathe. Some sort of deep relaxation. It's weird. It was weird. It's weird. I'm feeling like a pretty righteous dude right now. Sinking all the boats and making them explode. I want to see if I can ramp this. Oh, sorting. It didn't work out quite like I expected. I mean, 15 feet in the air. Okay, 15-foot pillars. Those you can fly off of, but little bumps and jumps, no. Physics is just a thing of the past, man. Well, maybe it's a thing of the future since this game took place 12 years ago. Well, no, it took place a lot longer than that ago, I guess.
Never make it through.
Oh, no, we don't... No, wait.
Something evil. Don't.
Do what now? The narrow channels of the... You're pointing me... Okay, so I see yellow arrows. Was there someplace on the map that said this way to the Eagle Channel?
Infiltrate through the Delta. Sink freighters.
Sink the freighters in your mind. And breathe.
Avoid contact if you can.
Oh, alright, well, let's stay away from the shits and the stuff and things. Alright, that one's red, so I guess I would take that to mean that I cannot avoid it. And your boat explode. And I don't need your health. And I don't need your love. And you! Mister. Knock your shiz off. Okay, so the yellow equals shore targets. Got it. Has nothing to do with where our objective lies, apparently. Oh, I hate when that happens. Like, could you just not blow me backwards? Okay, groovy. Some health. I do want your love. Your box of love. Your love box up. Yep, the love box. Also, not in the cereal aisle. The rockets are great for short targets, boss. Boom! Make them explode! Yes, Igor. Should have been his name. Hell yeah, dude. That's where it's at with the rockets and the shore targets. You launching and the shooting and the exploding. It's good times, noodle salad.
Raiders should be moored in the northern pier.
Okay. I feel like the game just assumes, like, that I really know what's going on in the world. Like, that the waters are someplace that I'm familiar with, that I'm really invested in my character. I think that's pretty presumptuous. Kicking ass and taking effing names and stuff. Oh, I'm almost dead though. No, please! Please come. Oh, come on. I just saw. Oh, what in the mother of holy ass? I can't believe it. There's so much health just sitting there, and I'm like, yup, doing good. For crying out loud. There goes 7 minutes of my life I'll never get back. Oh. And the number. Ugh. Wonder what happens if I just run from everything. Can it be done? I'm gonna try it, boy howdy. Well, I know one thing that'll happen. I'll never get any health drops. That could be problematic. Especially since while I'm running for my life, I'm not driving very well. We know how forgiving the game is about that shit. No! No! I can't move! You can't escape! You will be the one escaping! I gotta play that game sometime. For my channel. It'd be sweet. The Avengers! In case you didn't know which game I was talking about. Well, I'm doomed. For exactly because I didn't do anything. I was doing fine except for no health drops. No health drops. Alright, I should plan on killing some of the enemies so I can get health from time to time. Okay. Some health. Some get that F out of here button. And some luck. Trial! Fuck off! I'm playing a shitty game! Trial! Okay, I found my way into Fuckville.
Too heavily defended. Never make it through. Use the narrow channels of the East Delta.
Now that I know what that means, it pisses me off even more that I'm all the way over here. Now I just have to get back safely. That should be fun and easy. I'm sure I'll have no problem with that. 'Cause, I mean, it's never a problem to steer, let alone through narrow channels. Marble fumble.
Raiders should be moored in the northern pier.
Well, I would hope that we know for a fact where the freighters are parked, because this has been a big pain in my ass. I can't necessarily divulge how many times I've went through this area and tried to stay really, really quiet, just so I had a better chance of coming out in one piece. Now I'm starting to use the game's terminology. It's sucking me into its world. If the controls were just a little bit better, man, this is kind of a cool game. I mean, the biggest problem, and maybe I finally figured it out, or maybe another way to explain it. I can't figure out whether or not the x-axis is inverted or not. Like, I just still can't figure it out. It's so stiff. It's a design flaw that ruins the entire experience. It takes what should be a really awesome game, well, at least a pretty good game. I mean, again, the cheesiness of the voice acting takes it down quite a bit. I mean, because you can't take the game seriously, at least not as seriously as the music at some points might suggest that you should, the atmosphere. I mean, somebody clearly put a lot of work into this thing. It's awesome. Like I've said before, the level design in this is just beautiful. I love these fortresses, the castle-type structures, and the bridges, and, you know, the islands in the middle of it. This is really, really cool. And I'd love to be able to drive through it without having a freaking seizure every second because I just can't hope to go the direction I want to go. And I wish I had more rockets so I could shoot some guys and blow up all the stuff at McDonald's, baby owns. No, I'm not getting any McMoney. Which reminds me, while I'm talking about fast food, you should check out my friend Chris on Get Fit Gamer. He's a funny guy. I went to high school with him. He's got a lot of cool stuff up, some gameplay and beatboxing and some videos about health reviews on different foods, and I'm dead. Just for you, Avid. Holy crap. I just realized something awesome. I don't have to totally wait for my sub-weapons to cool down. I can shoot one of my sub-weapons, switch over to the other one, and then back. Maybe I mean, if I time it right, I should never have to wait for cooldown. I can just... Oh, that is so sweet. Hopefully that can be used to my advantage. Certainly need some advantages. I am still not to the point where I want to cheat. When I get to the point where I want to cheat my way through the game, I will say fuck it. At this point, I'm not going to promise to finish the game. Ideally, that's what I'm shooting for. Honestly, I mean, I'd like to play all 28 stages. But, you know, as varied as the missions have been so far, I mean, I give them credit for making a kind of an interesting story about pirates and, like, reasons why we're in where we're at. I mean, like, right now we're going to destroy some munitions. That's pretty sweet. Like, I like that, you know, the object is to try and stay out of sight in this one. I mean, it's cool that it's not just the same crap over and over and over again. Alright, we're back at Death Alley. This place sucks. I mean, if the goal was to infiltrate through the Delta, that's all gravy, but the couple of times that I've come real close or gone the other way to where they tell you can't go through because it's too heavily armed, that seems like pretty much right where I'm at right now. Like, I'm going to get blown up. Look at that. I mean, when I go out there, I'm going to get exploded. That's the way it's going to go. I might be hitting that one. Okay. Making all this careful effort, knowing that, like, pretty much at all times my life is hanging by a thread. You know, you'd think that would get me excited to play the game, but honestly, I'm, like, pissed in advance for when I'm about to die. And in the same breath, I can say that this is a good game. I mean, I've said it's a bad game. I've recently said, in this episode, I've said it's a bad game. I mean, and it is. And it's not like a game that's like so bad that it's good, like in kind of like the, you know, the Room, the Troll 2 kind of way, you know. It's just simultaneously bad and good. It's not even that it has bad and good elements. It's just the controls are so super shitty that it automatically winds up being a bad game. Oh, yes. Okay. What? No, you gotta understand, I'm not ready to do anything quickly. I need to survive for a second.
Infiltrate through the Delta.
Avoid contact if you can.
Okay, seriously, this is it. I can't take it anymore. And I thought for sure I could at least make it as far as I could back in the day. I mean, to level 16. And maybe I could. I mean, am I rushing? Is this going too fast? Am I just taking things at a bad pace? Bloodwake? My sweet, my darling? I mean, I don't know. Where are the freighters? Oh, come on. This is it, gang. This is it. This is there. I'm fucking done. That's it. That is fucking it. Whether or not I'm gonna come back to this game, I'm not entirely sure. I mean, I had a point to prove that at the very least I could make it back to the 16th mission. What I've learned is that yeah, that's about it. I've learned I've learned that this game continuously is kicking my ass, and without the aid of checkpoints, I'm pretty well done for. But yeah, please keep watching for more videos. Go back and check out some of my old ones, and you know, it's a coin toss whether or not I'm going to do any more of this particular game. I guess you'll have to sit and wait and find out until the next episode of Rad Gaming Dad. Thanks for watching, guys. And sign me up for another gun cat, 'cause that's what it's at the gun cat.